Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a very simple, easy way to find if a YouTube channel is monetized and if a YouTube channel has a monetized videos on the platform. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Let's look for a channel that we want to find out if it's monetized. Okay, let's click this one over here. All you gotta do is to click on the actual channel. Okay, then when you're at the channel page, I want you to click on the top right corner where you see the three dots, okay? Then I want you to click the first option, which is share. When you click share, you will have an option to copy the link from the channel itself. Now when the link is copied on our clipboard, we want to go on Google and we want to look for this particular website. It's called isthischannelmonetized.com. You want to click on it. When you're at the channel, you want to scroll down to the special section over here where you're going to paste the link that we just copied. You want to paste the link and then you want to click check monetization. It depends on the traffic. Sometimes it's faster to process, sometimes it's slower to process. Okay. As we can see over here, according to the website, the channel that we just copied link from, right, is probably not monetized. Unfortunately, they cannot give you 100% guarantee, but they will tell you probability of being or not being monetized. And usually they will tell you that if it's monetized, they have a proof of having 2, 3, 5, 6 videos that are currently monetized. So this will give you an indication. In this particular case, we're seeing that there isn't a message that indicates that they have 1, 2, 3, or 4 videos that are monetized. As well, they're trying to highlight over here that, as of the current stance, they're gaining a good amount of views. They're having over 1,000 subscribers. So essentially, if they want to, they usually have to be eligible for monetization simply because they are crossing or they already crossed the threshold of 4,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers. But essentially, guys, this is how you can check for every channel on YouTube, is it monetized or it isn't. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.